guys, welcome to TCR. Thanks for clicking on the video. Sid here. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to show you guys a fun and easy little life hack today that might make your baking a little bit easier from now on. You're going to gently touch the yolk and slowly release it. And you're gonna get that entire yolk out just like that in one piece. And you can, let's say we drop a little bit of shell in our egg and we wanna get that out too. Oh, I broke that yolk. You can use your egg shell to scoop it back out, or if your fingers are wet, you can grab it out of there, no problem. So you might notice I was wearing a different outfit. That's because, well, while I was filming by myself with the tripod, and I accidentally cut my head off, and I was Henry VIII in it pretty bad for a minute there. So had to do a little bit of a reshoot. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little life hack there about how to get the eggshells out and how to get the yolks out so that you can have perfect egg whites every time when you're either baking, making meringue, or just want an egg white omelet. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you get the notifications. Thanks for watching my little life hack, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you get the notifications.